All right, everybody. Chris Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions, talking about the funding division of the company today. We're walking through a first deal with a new borrower with us. We've gone through all the steps. We've gone through the application process, the proof of funds. We've gone through getting a deal under agreement and sending it to us. We've gone through what we expect from you, what we need, those three things: purchase price, reno, and ARV, and sold comps. We've gone through us sending you a term sheet so we know what the terms of the deal are. You sending us an executed purchase and sale, as I already said. Once then we send you the term sheet, you sign it. We got our attorneys involved. The loan gets closed and set up with our loan servicing company. If there's reno draws, we've explained the reno draw process to you, right? Now, here's the fun part. Renos are done. Renovation is done. Project is done. You list it either yourself with an agent or with us if you don't have representation. My wife and I are brokers and agents in Masson, Rhode Island, and soon to be Connecticut. So we list the property. Someone lists the property. It goes under agreement in the first weekend. And now you guys have a closing date and you want to pay us off so that you can get your profit, right? So what does that look like? Well, it's a simple process. You simply send us an email with the rough closing date that you have. You send us a copy of the purchase and sale agreement with the new buyer, right? And then we work with our servicing company very quickly, I might add you. I can turn around a payoff in 24 hours or less. So again, it's good to partner with us because we're local. We have access. We touch every point of the loan. We're not waiting on departments or, we're not a huge company where it takes a day, a week, a month to get, responses back. It's me and my wife that manage these with a great support staff of both live and virtual assistants. We have a great team of subcontractors and partners that help us do this and scale as we can. But we touch all these loans. So we issue you a payoff within short order. Our company, our servicing company, typically drafts the discharge and holds it in escrow. And then when your buyer's attorney, their attorney, wires us the payoff funds from the lender, right, from their lender, then our servicing company will record that discharge, show a release on the deed, and the deal is done. So I know that's a lot. We've thrown a lot at you, but the bottom line is this: it's start to finish, soup to nuts. You deal with me and my wife, Caitlin, Chris Gallo, Caitlin Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions. We've been lending money out since 2014. We have a ton of great relationships with our borrowers, long time customers, repeat customers. We have a fantastic track record, meaning since 2014, we've taken 0 loans back. We've had 0 defaults. We've had to foreclose 0 times. We've never not paid any of our investors a nickel. They always get their money each and every month. So we feel like we have a really good understanding of these markets, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, parts of Connecticut, and parts of New Hampshire that we're venturing into. And we feel like the local approach, nobody does it better than Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions. I hope this has been very helpful for you. Looking forward to whether you're an investor who has capital, maybe you're not happy with your portfolio, or maybe you want diversification from the stock market, you have money sitting in cash, earning nothing, and you think our double-digit returns are attractive, we'd love to talk to you. If you're a borrower, maybe you're a newer borrower, maybe you've been using your own cash, maybe you've been using another hard money lender, and you want a second opinion, or you're not happy with service or whatever, reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you too. Flip and Hold Funding, hard money, made easy.